Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple hairdo for your puppet. Actually, today we're going to be flipping the script. A puppet's going to be cutting my hair. Okay, so it's not quite a puppet cutting my hair, but I am going to be cutting my own hair using the techniques I learned from cutting hair for puppets. Here we go. I don't have any traditional hair cutting tools, so I'm using all of my puppet grooming tools, which I have this buzzer that I bought for trimming the puppet fur. However, I've never actually used it. Actually, I tested it one time, which is why, if you can see, it's got covered in puppet fur. I didn't like the way that it worked for my puppet fur. So it's just been sitting on my shelf forever, but it's perfect time to use it. Got my puppet grooming comb, which is also infused with glue and hair, and my puppet spray bottle. But I'm gonna be using it all on my own head today. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm going based off of what I watch my hairdressers do when I go to get it done. We all just wanna hear that buzzer go, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna start it. Does this even work? I should test it.
I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
I'm just gonna go for it. Oh shoot, man. Did I cut a big piece up? Worst case, you can just shave it all off. No idea what I'm doing. I probably don't have to say that because it's probably pretty clear if anyone who's ever cut hair is watching me do this. Hold on. I got a phone call. Hello? How's it going? I'm on Facebook Live right now shaving my head. Oh, that was a big chunk. Congratulations, but yeah, I'll call you back in a little later. All right, bye. Probably not a good idea to talk on the phone while I'm doing that. Look at the back here. Now the sides, I think it makes sense to stop about there, but in the back, I don't know exactly when to stop. Ooh, that didn't feel right. It looks like it's bald there sometimes in the camera. I think it's the lighting. I wonder if the angle that I hold it affects. Probably does. So you'd think it would be more like a lawnmower. Like you go over a spot and then it's gone. But it doesn't seem to. You know, like if you go over the same spot twice with the lawnmower, you're not really getting more pieces. So either hair cutting is different or I'm doing something wrong because it's pushing those hairs up instead of cutting them. I you know what I gotta say is this is harder than it looks. I could do it much easier to someone else's head if they were a different number trimmer, a bigger number trimmer. The only numbers I have though are smaller though. Yeah, try a smaller trimmer. Take some more off. Thanks for the tips. Margaret says no scissors. I'm not going to use the scissors anymore because you're right. That's probably. Well, actually, I gotta finish it off though. Let me just go back to the trimmer. Ooh, that sound. If you look at all the puppet hair I've groomed, it's much easier on a head that doesn't move and a head you can see with your own eyes. Oh, I feel like that's working well. I've never seen someone go this way. I don't think. But I'm gonna try it and see if I can catch some of that. If I give myself a buzz cut, I would look like a gray-haired toddler. You know what? Luckily, I filmed from the front anyway, so whatever the back looks like, I'm actually not hating it. Definitely losing a lot there. Oh, yeah, the back was a bad idea. The back was a really bad idea to go. Do you know what I should do? Reverse mohawk. Just right down the middle. A valley in the middle. I feel like I probably shouldn't go as high with the next level. Is there anyone who actually is a hair cutter, a hairdresser in here? Hairdresser. Whoa. Let me know in the comments. From a level of 1 to 10, how am I doing? Rate me twice. Rate me now on my process, and then rate me on my finished haircut. Did I already do this? Did I do this side yet? I don't even remember which side I did. I don't think I did this side yet. Okay, so now let me do. Wait. It would be 3 sides if I do another side. Well, let's do this again. I really have a feeling the back is really bad. Weird how every pass it feels like it sounds like it's actually taking something up. The question is, should I go down to a 1? Let me see. Oh wow, look at that. See how that looks on there. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that.
Game over.
Yeah, it'll grow back. I'm gonna leave the towels. Definitely hit a spot there. Let me turn off that back cam because it's just making me depressed looking at that back view. Okay. Well, that was painless, but I'm still pretty happy with how it came out. For the record, cutting puppet hair is much easier. Anyway, I have a whole bunch of really cool projects coming out. I'm gonna keep them a secret for now, but if you want a sneak peek, make sure you check out my Instagram. I always post projects that I'm working on there weeks before I release them on YouTube. Click here for a link to the live stream I'm gonna be doing next Tuesday. I'll be doing a Q&A talk back, and probably also working on a puppet build. There I'm gonna be taking a ton of questions. You can ask me questions during the live stream. Your best chance of me seeing it is to post your question as a comment on my most recent Instagram post. That way it's most likely to get into the live stream. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll see you next time.